Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time.
This is like how the judge will score on the score sheet.
Ini bagaimana juri menaruh nilai di dalam score sheet.
With intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared.
This is the event director to conduct. Will be engine on or engine off.
Event organizer atau eksekusi penegara itu akan menentukan apakah pada saat penjurian itu engine on, mesin menyala, atau engine off, mesin mati. Yang paling penting menurut saya adalah source mana yang akan kita pakai untuk aplikasi volume. Biasanya dari controller atau dari head unit, atau bisa dari remote steer. Oke. Termasuk fungsi AC, transmission AC. Biasanya ada beberapa mobil kadang-kadang mungkin dinginin kabin ya, jadi begitu keluar dari mobil AC-nya terlalu kencang. Dan juri diharapkan bisa menyesuaikan atau menanyakan apakah memang AC-nya harus segitu kencang. Mengenai apakah dia masih kena dengan garis dari 3 poin ini -1. Tapi kalau sudah lepas daripada garisnya, susah. Jadi misalnya suaranya itu tinggi banget, tengahnya itu tinggi, jadi tengahnya tinggi nih, yang kanan tinggi banget, gitu, lebih tinggi daripada center. Kayak kan tinggi panggung. Jadi misalnya ini senternya tinggi nih, oke, tapi kanannya tinggi banget.
Jadi yang lebih tinggi itu yang dipotong -2.
Iya, karena kan kita bertiga yang terbaik untuk kasih full point. So, main kata tidak. Right, so this is -1, -2. Yes, is it?
-1 for
Left center.
2 position and -2 for another 2 position.
Yes. It's the same.
Yes.
It's the same.
Halo guys, saya Suryadi, balik lagi ke channel YouTube Dynamic Auto Sound. Kali ini saya ada dengan acara eksekusi pertama di Asia, ya, lagu baru, rules baru. Nah, saya dengan trainernya Mr. Nopon dari Thailand. Nah, kita akan tanya jawab apa aja ya tentang eksekusi. Halo sir, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Okay, I want to ask you about the SQC.
Yes.
For today. What's the interesting and the difference this association SQC from others? What do you think?
Okay, I would like to talk about SQC. After I have been invited to judge for SQC many years ago, I got an impression that the SQC format is like concentrate on the sound quality and have the like some kind of the not only to judge like the scientific practice, but only try to convert the subjective issue to the objective,
Mm.
but lack of what we call the sense, the feel
Oh,
of
okay.
the music.
Okay.
Yeah, but SQC, okay, we can judge, okay, according to the judging guideline, that some kind of the how you feel the music,
Mm. Okay.
yeah, and it will be more prominent with the new 2024.
Mhm. The new
The new rule,
the new song.
new song, it will okay, and judging guide concentrate most like let's say like today, the training. 90% will like to say in the room, this is the real instrument with human playing, so it should be retain the naturalness of the instruments.
Oh, okay. And the next question is, can you tell me a little bit about the history of the SQC?
Wow, as a SQC, I think the history of the SQC, you better talk to
with
Mr. Bin Eng. But as long as I know that it was been created by a group of people that love for the music in the car. Not just have sound, but this is music.
Oh, okay. And the next question is for this the first. This is the first one, right? For the
Yes.
international head judge.
This is the first one for the 2024 rules
in Asia.
in Asia.
Yeah. Can you tell us why choose Indonesia for the first time in the training?
Well, from this is also not only from Mr. Bin Eng, who is SQC Asia, but also from my point of view and my experience here. We got very good enthusiastic people, computers here in Indonesia.
Okay.
Yeah, and from many years that I have been judging here in many kind of format, I see more and more competitors and also more professional.
Oh, okay.
That is the good sign.
Okay.
So
for
this-
Indonesia.
Yeah, for Indonesia. So I think Bin also saw that Indonesia is the good point to start with
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Okay. And then next question, please. For the improvement of audio in Indonesia, what do you think about the look from the other country judges?
Okay. I think I'm also very lucky to have chance to judging for the competition here in Indonesia for I think more than 10 years.
Yes, I guess.
More than
Yeah,
10 years.
more than 10 years.
Yeah, and I judge I think several hundred cars here. And every time I judging here, as I mentioned to many people, not only for our Indonesian friends, but also the people in other countries also,
Yeah.
that this is more and more difficult for me to judge here because they can done better and better all the time.
Yeah, because we are a lot of competition in here.
Yes. You know, the very early time that I had just here. Okay, I found that most of the computers here good on the tonal, but lost on the technical track. But now they can gain many, both on the technical track and again for sure the musical track.
Okay. One last question.
Yes.
What's the plan for the SQC Asia for the future?
Well, in future, I believe that there will be more members, more affiliates in Asia, and we hope that one day we can have the true Asia
Competition in Asia.
Asia.
Yeah. How many country right now the SQC?
China is coming,
Taiwan, Hong Kong,
Thailand not yet, but okay. So
Malaysia, Indonesia. Oh, okay.
So hope to be more, maybe Vietnam.
Oh yeah, Vietnam.
Maybe.
Okay. Thank you for your cooperation.
Very happy to be here
Thank you.
all the time.
Thank you.
Lot of good friends here.
Yeah, thank you.
Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up